What's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys the best streaming settings to use in OBS Studio. If you haven't already, make sure that you download OBS Studio from their website, obsproject.com. I will link that in the description. Go into your OBS settings. If you don't have your controls pulled up like I do, you just want to go to File, Settings, and open your settings up. From there, you can do things like change the theme. I have mine set to what I believe is called Arachne. It's going to be on default. You can change it and look through them, see what you like from there. You want to make sure you have your source alignment snapping on. You want to click enable and make sure you have your snap sensitivity set to either 5 or 10. That's a personal preference. This is just going to make it to where when you drag things across your screen, they click into each other, if that makes sense, rather than just being freeform. For stream, you want to connect your primary streaming service. For me, that's Twitch. At the bottom where it says ignore streaming service recommendations, you want to make sure that's checked. You want to put output mode on advanced. Mine's already set like that. I can't change that because I'm recording. For streaming, you can enable your Twitch VOD track. I made a video on that if anybody is confused. Basically, that's just a different track for your stream versus your clips to avoid copyright and things like that. You can see my encoder here. I recommend using NVIDIA if you can. Rate control, you want to set to CBR. Bitrate, I have mine on 8,000. You don't want to go higher than that. But I wouldn't say you should go lower than 3,000. That really depends on your PC. My keyframe interval is at 2. My preset is at P6, slower, better quality. If you have a really high-end PC, you can go for P7. If your PC runs a little slow, go for P5, but don't go any lower than that. Tuning, high quality, multi-pass mode. I have mine on 2 passes, quarter resolution. Profile, you want on high, GPU 0 and B frames 2. For audio, 48 channel stereo, and then you want to make sure you disable all of your global audio devices. As far as the everything else, those settings are pretty much just default. I didn't alter any of them. For video, I have a 1080p, so I'm putting both my base and my output at 1920 by 1080. Downscale is not going to apply to me because they match. So if they were different, your PC would have to work harder in order to try to like shrink the image, but it doesn't have to, so it doesn't apply for me. And then my FPS is at 60. Hotkeys are disabled for me. I don't use any of them because I'm a klutz, and I will absolutely accidentally end my stream or switch my scene by pressing a button unintentionally, so I don't use that. But accessibility, I didn't change at all either. Advanced, you want process priority on normal. You don't want to go higher than that because it's going to make everything else on your PC run slow, especially if you're gaming on your PC. I don't recommend that. These are my video settings. As you can see, if you want to screenshot those. The stream delay I have off. If you're worried about being stream sniped, that's a main reason to use that. I do have automatic reconnect on. Basically, if your stream goes offline and you weren't intending that to happen, like if your internet goes out or something like that, it'll just keep reconnecting. It'll keep trying to connect, is all that's going to keep happening. Mine was at 2 seconds, and you can up that if you want. It's really a personal preference. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more how-to content. If there's anything that you guys need help with, let me know. I try to reply to every comment. If I can answer it with a comment, I will. If not, you can join my Discord or I can make another video. But I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.